How to add website to favorites on Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can mark website as a favorites on Microsoft Edge. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Microsoft Edge. After that, navigate to top right corner and click on this three dot icon right here. From this menu bar, you will have an option as a favorite, so you have to click on it. After that, click on this three dot icon right here under the favorites, and here you have an option as show favorites bar, and here you have to select the first option, that is always. After that, you will have the favorite bar here. Now to add website in your favorite bar, first of all search for the website that you want to add. So if you want to add this on your favorites bar, then you have to click on this favorites icon at the bar at the top right. Once you click on it, now you can name this website or web page that you want to add on your favorite, and it is added in your favorites bar. Once you are done, click on done. And there you go. Now this web page has been added in your favorites bar and is added as your favorites. Now you can directly access it from your favorites bar whenever you want. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.